Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening your photo and immediately duplicating the background layer. This preserves the original. Next, select the sky. Use Select Sky for fast results or the Quick Selection tool when the sky is complex. Once you have a selection, add a sky replacement from the Edit menu or convert the selection into a layer mask and paste your new sky on a separate layer. This approach keeps edits non-destructive and makes later refinements simple and reversible. Now focus on seamless integration. Refine the mask with Select and Mask. Adjust radius, smooth, and feather by small amounts to avoid halos. Transform the new sky layer to match perspective. Scale and rotate so clouds align logically with the scene. To match lighting, add curves and color balance layers clipped to the sky. Shift temperature, highlights, and midtones so the sky's brightness and color harmonize with the foreground. These steps explain why subtle adjustments are crucial. They sell realism. Finish by blending everything. Apply a subtle gradient overlay or haze to glue the sky to the scene, then use selective sharpening on foreground details only. Save a layered PSD as your master, then export a copy as JPG or PNG for delivery. If you see color banding or halos, troubleshoot by refining the mask edge. Use Select and Mask's Shift Edge and Feather, or sample with Color Range and paint with a soft brush on the mask. That fixes most edge and color mismatch issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.